Hello everyone, welcome to Beautiful Naturally. In today's video I am going to tell you about a wonderful mask I have applied and taken off right now, and it gives you immediate result. This mask has become now my favorite mask. It's super easy to make. So for this you will need just one ingredient from market, and rest of the ingredient must be sitting in your kitchen, and it's super effective and it gives you the immediate result. This is the best thing. And so this mask is for loose skin, and if you have wrinkly skin, you have laughing line. I have seen the result from my last application and I have tried it 3-4 times, and now I'm really happy to share it with you because I really like this mask. It's my favorite now, and it's very effective and give you a very smooth, even tone looking skin. So I'm extremely happy to share this recipe with you. So please do try this and get the benefit of this mask. It's extremely wonderful and it's really working. So for this remedy you will need 1 teaspoon of hibiscus powder, 1 teaspoon of rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, you can also use gram flour instead of rice flour. Then next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and little bit of honey, half teaspoon of honey, and mix these ingredients. And then I'm going to add rose water in little quantity so that it make a nice smooth paste. So add it in little quantity. Once you have nice smooth paste, it's ready for application. So wash your face first before application with your favorite face wash. Now apply this face mask in upward direction. Apply it on your neck as well so that it will tighten your neck skin as well. So keep it for 20 minutes and then wash it with lukewarm water by gently rubbing it. Hello everyone, so now I have washed my face. So this is the immediate result. I can't believe my eyes. My skin looks so clear and so good. I can clearly see the difference. My face is glowing, literally glowing. I can see my face look even tone, and I am extremely happy with this mask. So I want you to try this out and do it and get the benefit of this mask, and do it twice if you have really loose skin and you have problem with the wrinkles. So at least do it twice a week and at least 2 months to get the really toned wrinkle free skin. So this was all about this today's mask that I have used, and I have already told you the benefit. I want you to try this out and tell me how you find it. So just try it and feel the difference. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. And if you like the video, please hit the like button below here, and please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family. Stay happy and stay blessed.